Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Real with Ray. I'm excited to be here today for a try-on haul slash review of a brand, Honeylove. Now it has been a minute since I've done a try-on haul. Quite a while, I am sorry, and a lot has changed since the Halloween try-on haul. First of all, the background has changed. I no longer have the Manhattan skyline behind me. I actually live in Los Angeles now. The pandemic changed so much, and that's just life. And it brought me to LA, and a few amazing things have happened since. I was at Miami Swim Week walking the runway. That's right, your girl was on the runway in a bikini as a curve model. Oh my God, I can't tell you how crazy that sounds out loud, because for the longest time, I didn't even wear a two-piece bikini. I was afraid to wear a two-piece bikini, and here I was on a runway strutting my stuff with all this confidence, with all these curves, and I got signed. That's right, I was signed to Dorothy Combs Models. But right now I'm in Los Angeles chasing my dreams and still shooting my content to share with y'all. So please, if you like what you see, thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel for more content, and let's dive into today's review. So today we are discussing shapewear. Okay, I'm going to try to get the out of shapewear today because let's face it, all of us women need it. We've used it at some point or another. If you haven't used it, good for you. But the rest of us have tried, and I have wrestled with it. I have been in a Macy's dressing room trying to put on a Spanx, struggling for dear life, asking for an entire staff to help me put it on or take it off, and it is not pretty. I tell you that. They do not make them pretty. It doesn't fit pretty. It just smushes everything like a weird pancake. And I never felt good in shapewear. I literally would be frustrated. I'd be sweating profusely in a dressing room, wondering, how is this supposed to help me look good in this little black dress? I don't want to be seen in this, nor do I want someone to see me outside of my outfit wearing this. It would just be mortifying. So that brings me to Honeylove. I was nervous. I'm like, a shapewear brand? I'm a little hesitant because I haven't had a good relationship with shapewear, and as a curvy woman, I want shapewear that works. But for the first time ever, I found a brand that works for me, works for my body type. I am a curvy size 10, 12, and it makes me feel good and it's comfortable. So thank you, Honeylove, for sponsoring today's post. And just because it's sponsored doesn't mean we're not gonna get real and gritty today, because I'm all about my real reviews so I can help everyone else find what brands really work. I tried to shoot this earlier, but you know what? I think Mercury's retrograde and it was a disaster. So we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna start with showing you the cute box. And this is a brand by women, for women, to empower women. Amen. Let's do that, shall we? Let's lift each other up, not just the girls, you know. It's like shapewear lifts you up, but let's support each other. So in your box, you have your receipt, obviously, and then you have a cute little welcome book. Let's see. I really like this because it adds a personal touch. It says, welcome to the Honeylove family. When you put on one of our garments, we hope you feel like the world is yours for the taking, because it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I love that. And then they also include these great garment bags. I have it in both the nude and in the black. So when you're done with your garments, you don't be a stinky girl. You put it in here and you clean it, and it cleans it safe. So I love that. That is a great touch. Thank you for thinking of that. As I always wonder, do I hand wash this? How do I not harm it? And they take all of the thinking out of it. They honestly take all the thinking out of the shapewear, and they somehow, dare I say, make shapewear sexy? Yeah, I said it. There are some items in here I wouldn't be ashamed to be undressing in front of someone else. I wouldn't be like, oh my God, don't look at me in this, because that has happened to me before, where you feel like you got to rush to the bathroom and take off your Spanx before you're seen. And this one, you don't have to feel that way. So thank you, Honeylove, for not making us ashamed of shapewear. Okay, so the first item we have today is the Liftwear Cami bodysuit. So I wanted to start with this one because I really feel like this is a good everyday shapewear to put under even what I'm wearing right now. So I'm actually going to start with showing you, I love this Marciano blouse, but I'm in a Victoria's Secret bra right now that gives me 4 boobs. That's right, it's a 4 boob bra. I don't know how many other busty girls out there have been like, can I have a bra that lifts me, supports me? Can I be shaped without having either a uniboob or 4 boobs? Like, does that have to be 1 or 4? Can it be 2? Like martinis, isn't that the saying? Like, martinis are like boobs, you know, 1's not enough, 3's too many. Similar to shapewear, I guess. I want to show you this garment and how it's packaged. They put this in to keep the shape of the cup. The compression is quite amazing. They are known for having targeted compression and the bonding here, which helps give you support without needing an underwire. I really like that. You can remove the cups inside, which is nice. And it smooths all areas without making you a pancake. Because you know what? The thing about shapewear is I always felt like it smushed it all into one. This one is actually saying, hey, I'm going to bring in certain areas while also letting your hips come out so you can have an hourglass shape. And I hope that you find it useful. And in regards to sizing, you know, the sizing for me is going to be very different for everyone. I will say Honeylove makes it easy. If you go on their website, they actually have a quiz, so they help you find out what size you are in each particular garment, because we're all different sizes, top, bottom, from one thing to another. All these are different sizes. So I can't tell you, oh, I'm this size in all of them, because I'm a different size in each outfit. So it will walk you through that on the site. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know if you like these try-on hauls, if you want to see more of these try-on hauls. And in the description, I'm going to link also the website along with a discount. So if you like what you see, you will have a discount code. So when you check out, you can thank Ray for that later. Okay, I'm in the Liftwear Cami bodysuit in the color Sand in a medium. For me, this size is perfect. It makes me feel very vulnerable to be in shapewear, because this is the last thing any woman wants to admit doing under their clothes. We want to just pretend we always look like this. But you know what? We have some help. So I'm letting you in on a little secret. So come into my world, come into my house, take a look at me in my shapewear. Fully out there, that's okay. It fully covers me on all sides, and there's boning here which gives support to lift the girls without needing an underwire, and there's still space here so you don't get a uniboob. I like that it actually still creates a division, and I don't have the 4 boob bra situation. The targeted compression comes in at my waist while also relaxing a little bit at the hip, so I still have an hourglass shape. And then the bottom is pretty good for a brief and not cutting in. I will say, is something to like keep in mind, if you are a little bit bigger here, I would maybe say do the thong that they offer or do the short, because then you're not going to get in your dress that line right here that can be annoying, and there is a snap crotch. So let's talk about, you gotta go to the ladies' room. You don't want to have to tackle taking off your shapewear. You can easily undo it, so that is a plus. Okay, so here is just putting on the tank with some jeans. I really like how cute it is even on its own. I'm not gonna lie, it's just gotta go run some errands, I can just go. This is very comfortable. I will say I could wear this every day because I don't feel like I'm in something that is compressing me painfully. I feel like I'm being hugged in and it's keeping me more mindful of how I'm standing, but I don't feel like it's painful like some shapewear you can't wait to rip off. It's already making my jeans even fit better. I will say that because of the bottom, it feels like it's lifting my butt in these jeans. These are mother's jeans. I love these jeans. I think they're super cute. And on the top, now I don't have that weird 4 boob. This is 2 thumbs up for me. I'm gonna show you how it looks in a wrap dress because I feel like this is perfect for under a wrap dress. Here's the Liftwear Cami bodysuit underneath this pretty wrap dress. I obviously like a little leopard print. You'll see it again. But I will show you what I like is it lifts the girl, so we have a really nice silhouette here. It's a very nice profile. I have no issue here with my boobs overflowing. I don't need the cup overfloweth. It's not a Shakespearean episode here. I like how it overall just flows. It makes the dress lay better, and it makes a nice hourglass for the back of the dress. All right, so next we're gonna do an item that I think is perfect for everyday wear. And the reason I can say it's everyday is it says everyday cotton brief. What gave it away? Who knew? One really cool thing about Honey Love, they don't just do things that are for special events. They do things you can literally wear every day that can replace whatever panties you're using now. These will be my go-to panty probably for the rest of my life, because I will tell you, there's nothing worse than, you know, if I go to Victoria's Secret, I'm trying to find some panties and they cut really low and it's like the fupa hangs out and you're just kind of like, is this how it's supposed to look? Or it doesn't cover the whole area. I'm like, does the kitty want to say hello? I don't know what they're doing over there. I'm going to show you up close how great this is. I never thought I would show my panties to everybody. You have a compression band here, which I like that it's a very thick, wide band, and this actually helps suck in the stomach. There's so many technical names for all this stuff, but you know what? I'm keeping it real with y'all in terms that I understand and that you'll understand. I wear a size medium in this everyday brief, and this really hugs me in, covers everything. I'm not gonna spill out. And on here, one thing, so first of all, it's breathable material, wide supported band, but my favorite thing that they say on the packaging is wedgie proof construction. Wedgie proof construction is brilliant, because how many times are we going out and we're like running errands and then you get a wedgie and you're like, I want to pick it. Is anybody looking? Oh, no one's looking. Guess what? Everybody is looking. Everybody noticed it, and someone pulled out their phone and they caught you on camera and they put it on social media. They found your handle, they tagged you, and next thing you know, you're the wedgie queen of Instagram. I don't want that title. So I wear these. They don't pull up and down. They're not gonna ride up. They're not gonna slide down. Winner, 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 chicken dinner. Then I'm gonna pair that with the Liftwear Silhouette Bra. This is an amazing everyday bra. And I get hit in my DM a lot, like, Ray, you have big boobs, I have big boobs. What bra is good? What do you like? And for the longest time, I couldn't tell someone like, hey, I love a bra, until now. And honestly, this is a lifesaver. I'm gonna show how beautiful this bra, the detail. And the velvet's actually conducive to form. It's not just there to be pretty, it actually helps with support. And you have the boning on the side, and in the front, you still have that pretty velvet look, that detail. It's so gorgeous. And it creates the perfect silhouette. You can remove the cups if you like. I like to keep in the liner because I don't need the headlights on display full blast. And then it has a very wide band, so you avoid that back fat, and I think that's so helpful. So this is a great everyday bra. It doesn't have underwire, which is better for you, and it feels better all day wear. So here I have the Liftwear Silhouette Bra. This is a favorite at Ray's Fave. So underneath you have the velvet lining here. So again, it creates two boobs, not one, not four. And it's wide, so it covers the full boob, so I don't have any areas that are spilling out. It's super, super supportive. I'm a 38 triple D. That's right, a natural triple D. So I feel like it really smooths the back. And then with the everyday brief, it really covers and hugs my waist to hip, so it gives me an hourglass shape. I carry most of my weight in my stomach. I have PCOS, which is a hormonal condition, and I know a lot of other women have similar things, and I have high cortisol, so I carry the weight in my stomach, so I get kind of nervous, and I'm like, oh, let me show this off, but you know, it's not always easy to just say, hey, I'm gonna expose myself fully, but here you guys go. This is one of the cutest lounge sets from Hello Babe Fashion. I'll also link it in the description. But it really works now that I have like a good bra and panty set, because before I'm like, what should I wear with it? Because if I don't wear a bra, my boobs were flip-flopping like it was a circus. And if I didn't have good underwear, because I carry weight here, I felt like it was too, you know, like a little pouch baby. So I really wanted to smooth everything so I can still be cozy and comfortable with soft fabrics. butt lift everything. This is loungewear 1. The next thing I'm gonna put on is actually my go-to travel outfit. I love to travel. I'm always on a plane. I like to look cute but be very comfortable. I have this sheer black set from Shan, which is a great company, and it's great for travel, except for I never have the right bra. I usually wear like a tan one that's like falling apart, I think. You can see through it, doesn't look good. So I'm like, oh, let me ruin my cute outfit because I don't have proper underwear and bra, and then I look disheveled. But here is my travel outfit from Shan. I think it's really cute. It's very simple, but it is a sheer material. Look at that. But I feel like if I'm gonna show what's underneath, I like that this is a velvety, smooth bra. To me, it looks like it's almost meant to be like seen a little bit like a nice undergarment or tank. Like it looks appropriate. I don't look like I'm wearing a provocative bra or a sloppy one. It fits me very nice. So the Boldness tank, this is a genius of a creation. This is kind of taking high fashion with shapewear and putting it all together for practicality and for fashion. So when you take it out, again, everything has its own bag, which I really like for storing it and keeping it neat and tidy. It has a label on it so you know right away what your item is if you're trying to locate it. This one shows you how to put it on. That's right, step into me. You might think, why do you need to know how to put it on? Well, shapewear is not always easy, and you sometimes look at it like, do I need a degree to figure out how to put this on? Well, they take all the guessing out. No guesswork. Look at this. So I love this. I fell in love with this piece. I want to wear it all the time. So this is very comfortable. The boning is flexible, but it really supports on the side and the back and the front. So what this also does is it helps posture. So for me being a 38 triple D, I sometimes stand like this. I can hunch over and everyone's like, stand taller. I'm like, do you know how heavy these things are? And this actually helps lift me and it makes me want to stand taller, and that's good for curve modeling because if I'm going to go hit the catwalk, I need to be standing tall because I could use more height. So this is a winner. This I love so much, and I'm actually going to pair it today with the brand new Honey Love pants. And these are awesome because inside you'll see this material is actually the structure to create compression so that it fits tight and it sucks you in the stomach. And there's cute little pockets, and it comes in multiple colors. They have black, they have gray, they have blue. I really like the black because I feel like it's very versatile. Like whether you're going to the office, these pants are flexible, but they're also really clean. Like they're uniformed, but they move. So you can stretch in them, you can walk in them, you can go to work in them, go to holiday parties and eat a lot of appetizers. I like to go for seconds and thirds at Thanksgiving and not look like I went for seconds and thirds. So here we have the Boldness tank, and I feel like this was made for me. I love this thing so much. It really sucks me in. It goes down to my lower stomach, so if I pull this down, you'll see how far down it goes. I paired it with the Honey Love pants that are just now debuting. It's a Real with Ray debut. I love these pants. They also have the pocket in the back. They lift the butt, which is so cute. And then the compression flattens the stomach. Again, I'm gonna live in these all fall and winter, unless I go to Miami where I'll sweat profusely. But on top, these vertical bands on the Boldness tank are quite amazing because it really defines the abs. It brings and it cinches that waist. Everyone wants that cinched waist and hourglass shape. Oh, and you're gonna look so good at any party, dinner, business thing. I mean, hello. You don't even need to wear this as shapewear underneath. Like we took the out of shapewear and we're exposing it because shapewear was made sexy with Honey Love. And the boning on here just literally feels and looks like a corset, but without suffocating me. I just feel like I can conquer the world in this. So I will say, not all sizes make sense. These are large and they fit very nice, but if you want more compression, you could size down. So the next pair is a medium, and I feel like it really sucks in my stomach, but I don't know if it completely camouflages my stomach because maybe it's too tight. So that's my only thing, is sometimes I'm an in-between size, being a mid-sized girl. Stop right there. I didn't even want to take the Boldness tank off because it looks so cute with these pants. I'm gonna back up to really show you how amazing. These are like the blue jean type pant. So these pants are very flexible. I mean, If you wanted to go like this, or you wanted to lunge or do any other motions, be careful. I am not responsible for any injuries that you do because of the flexibility you have in these pants. It is a tailored cut, so it looks very presentable. It doesn't look sloppy. You could wear it to work. Inside, again, you have this compression panel that actually holds everything in. I feel like there should be a warning on the Honeylove that says, warning, may cause you to look at yourself in the mirror a little bit and feel yourself and have a Beyonce moment. So we are now, last but not least, on the final item of this try-on haul, because I'm not going to keep you all here forever because attention spans are sparse, and if you made it this far, hallelujah, thank you so much for your loyalty to watch the whole video. Guys, if you're watching, you're probably like, what the heck did I just watch? I think I saw too many secrets, and that's okay because you're going to earn it on my last look. So the final look is the Super Power Breathe. I'm a size large. Again, please do the quiz online, find out what your size is. I'm going to pull this out. The coolest thing here is they also have these straps inside. So when you have this garment, you can actually hook it like a bra strap right here and onto the other side to add extra support and lift to keep the item up, even though it already has a technology inside that prevents it from rolling down. This is important to bring up. I feel like when shopping for shapewear, the most important thing is something that doesn't roll down, because there is nothing worse than being at a party and you're wearing a sexy dress, you have your shapewear under, and you're talking, whatever you're doing, and it starts to roll down. And you feel it, and then you're like, excuse me, I have to go to the ladies' room, as you walk like this, and nobody wants to experience that, because that leaves you hating shapewear, leaves you wanting to burn it, leaves you wondering why you wore it, and then you just end up, you know, wearing no underwear for the rest of your life. But this is the solution. So I might be dramatic, I might be animated, but it's because I'm passionate, and I'm passionate about these. With the X material, it is targeted compression. So here it's actually bringing in the waist, and it's then creating that nice waist to hip ratio, which I can really appreciate because other shapewear just kind of smushes it all together. And this has different fabrics. The bottom of it here is like a mesh sheer, so you don't get a panty line, and that's super important. The crotch is not a snap crotch, but no need to fear. This thing, unlike other shapewear, is easy to pull on and off. You're not going to struggle, and you don't have to call in 10 girlfriends to take it on and off of you. You can actually do it on your own. This is the tag that is on the item. I pulled it off because, like I said, I've already worn the items to make sure I wore them and felt them before I reviewed them. And this says features. I'm going to read the technical terms and then kind of break it down. Stand tall, soft flex structures support posture. That's good. Targeted compression, tones and smooths. This is that X design. Stays up, soft flex boning, reliable, prevents the rolling down. This is what we just talked about. We don't want it rolling down. This literally is designed to stay up, which is a miracle. If it stays up, that means you stay flat all night. Then the last thing is it's made in a certified responsible facility. I like that they say that, because you know what? We have to care about the ethics of a company, and they're also all about inclusivity. And as a curve model and someone who sometimes doesn't always feel represented out there, I really respect a brand that includes all shapes, sizes in their campaigns. Like if you've seen them on their social media, I think you should go right now and add them and look at their page and see that everyone's natural. They don't remove stretch marks, cellulite, nothing. They're showing women how we are. And I'm showing you how I am, because I can't shoot this in a beauty filter. I wish I could sometimes, but I have stretch marks and I have cellulite and I have all these like lumps and bumps. And that's what, you know, makes this day and age better, is we're being more honest about it, and we're accepting our bodies, and we're wearing things, yeah, that maybe help limit some bulges or whatever, but we're just being real about it. And that's why I'm showing myself here today with a try on haul that's maybe not the sexiest, but you know, it's helpful. For shapewear, the sheer material and how it's designed in that signature X for compression is actually kind of sexy. Feels good. Again, it's targeted compression, so it's taking in my waist while keeping my hips. And I paired it again with the silhouette bra because I feel like it's perfect to go with it, because this lifts and does its job along, pairs with it perfectly. So I like that the items can mix and match nicely. It's called the Superpower Brief, and I think it's because it gives you superhero powers. And I'm not trying to be cheesy. I legit feel like I can take on the world because I don't feel like I have to suck in my stomach. You know, I feel like it's being sucked in for me, and that's my superhero power, is feeling snatched. I'm like, snatched woman. I believe in it. And I wanted to do this try on haul to help other women to find what shapewear would actually do its job, because how many times do we buy something and it doesn't do its job? So this is actually one of my favorite dresses. I wore this more in New York because I also do real estate. I'm a curve model and realtor, so if you're looking to buy or sell a property, please contact me. I will be in my Superpower Brief doing superhero powers, closing and escrow. This Superpower Brief is cinching my waist. It's holding everything in. It's smoothing the back, which is very, very helpful, so you get that hourglass shape. And I don't have to think about sucking in because it's doing it for me. And if I was at a business function and I'm speaking, the last thing I want to think about is, okay, Ray, suck it in. Speak to everyone while you hold in your stomach. You don't want photos of you with it just like hanging out, and you don't have to think about it in this. And I like that I can just stand and mingle and network and feel good without being self-conscious of how something fits. So I'm ending this try on haul, like I said, with a Fashion Nova dress. It is a barrel dress. It leaves little to the imagination. Censor it if children are watching because it's a lot of, you know, cleavage area, but I can wear a Superpower Brief shapewear under that dress. And if I can do that, if that's not superhero powers, then I don't know what is. This is the Fashion Nova dress wearing the Superpower Brief underneath. Check out my TikTok video where I also do a cute TikTok in it. And this is the dress that made me a believer in Honeylove. The Superpower Brief ends right here, hidden, because the dress was like made for it, I guess. It hugs me in. The back is like where it's at. It brings in my waist, makes my butt look all cute. We always need a cute butt when we're wearing a sexy dress. And it just hugs it all in. And like I said, this is so important because the last thing we need is to feel self-conscious of like what's going on underneath when we're out having a good time. And I wore this dress in Miami before I had Honeylove. I didn't wear anything underneath. Don't tell on me. But it wasn't fun because I constantly was like, oh, don't do this. Oh, and I will tell you at the top, you know, this is all Fashion Nova here. There is no, I can't save your life on this. Honeylove can't save your life on this. I hope they come out with some sort of crisscross, you know, support wear, because this top is really holding on for dear life. Okay, I wanted to do a quick recap. And again, I'm sitting down in my sexy Fashion Nova dress, wearing the Superpower Brief, and I love how it holds me in even when I'm sitting. It's so comfortable. It keeps me compressed, but without feeling like I can't wait to rip it off. Like, I actually feel like I could wear this all night and not be annoyed. And I also am not mortified if someone catches me wearing the outfit, because I feel like it's, like I said, shapewear that's kind of sexy. So I got a pizza with my name on it. I'm starving. I'm a curve model, and I only stay in business if I eat. And I need a little wine to unwind. And it wouldn't be a video without Milo making an appearance, and he loves Honeylove, and he says thank you for empowering women to feel better and to embrace their curves. That's all what he's saying. Wow, you're such an enlightened little pup. We love it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and like the video. Comment what else you'd like to see for try-on hauls, and remember to look in the description to get your discount on your Honeylove. Thank you so much, and we look forward to the next video. Bye!